Hi guys, today I'm about to buy the sticky sticker bundle in Bee Swarm Simulator. I just defeated Coconut Crab, and I got enough gingerbread bears. Alright, we got peppermint antennas. Let's see what else we got. We got pink hive skin. Let's try that out. Awesome. Don't mind me, I'm collecting stickers. Anyways, I got enough gumdrops from Gummy Bee. Hopefully, Gummy Bear doesn't kill me now. Epic vibe. Alright, let's hatch it. Probably episode 10, guys, is gonna be coconut canister or gifting spicy bee, because that's the next stuff I have to do. I also got turpentine. Right. Bumblebee. I don't need you. Wait. What? I need frosty bee. We can get rid of a... What can we? Demon bee. Bye bye demon bee. Gummy bee. Let's go test it. Let's do it in rows. Alright, it should make like gumdrops and such. I'm not gonna activate any. Ooh, there it is. That's pretty good. Let's see what other abilities it has. Oh, so it's just goo based. Yeah, I have tons of carpenter bees, so that'll do good. Alright, those are the two abilities. Never mind three. Two of the same ones. Alright guys, thank you for watching.